Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do an unboxing and hands-on with the Mi Smart speaker announced in India for a price of 3500 rupees. Now this is a new product from Xiaomi's ecosystem products. So this has been announced in India. This has Google support, OK Google support, the Google Assistant support actually. Now this also comes with a 12 volt powerful speaker and 63.5mm sound driver, one of the largest in this price segment, and it has DTS professional tuned sound and two far field mics and touch sensitive buttons for whenever you want to wake up the speaker for any queries with the Google Assistant. You can do that with the far field mics. Now it has a 12 volt powerful sound output, and it has 63.5mm massive driver. Now that's the speaker. It also has DTS support. So this is the box package. You can see it's a very big large box package. You can even see the speaker is a pretty big unit. Now on the side you have all the details mentioned here. So let's have a look. You can see that powerful sound, DTS professional tuning, set alarms, timers and reminders, get answers using Google Assistant. So built-in hi-fi audio processor. It has Texas Instrument TAS 5805M processor, which provides high power, low distortion and advanced multi-band dynamic response control algorithms. Play and control music media on the device, plan your day and control smart home devices with the Google Assistant. So those functionalities are there, and you can also see Chromecast built-in support is there. So this is the device. You can see here OK Google, what you can do, play some music, weather, all those things you can do. Just what you do on your smartphone with the OK Google, you can do it here as well. So that's the device. So this is available at a price of rupees 3499 or 3500 rupees. Now let's unbox this. So let's just open this, and you get a manual. So click to play or pause button. Then here we have the microphone disable or enable option, volume up and down, then factory reset. You also get the option to see what these lights mentioned. So these are the options. So it's more or less similar. You can see that a Mi Smart speaker, Bluetooth 4.2 and 8to DP support, and we have all the details mentioned here. So that's the manual. Now next let's open this and take the speaker out. So that's the speaker. So you can see it's a pretty large speaker. Now let's keep this aside and see what else comes inside the box package. So this is another small box which is included. So this has the power cable. So there you go, the standard power cable is included. So there you go, that's the power cable included with the box package. Now next let's see the speaker and then set it up. So this is a speaker. You can see that this has a mesh finish. It's a metal mesh finish, the Mi logo. So we have the two microphones, then these buttons, play, microphone disable, up and down volume keys. Then you can see that the finishing looks good. This the power button, and rest all no other button. So these are the options. So there's no 3.5mm audio jacks. That's one of the things which is missing, but otherwise this looks like a good device. You can see that this is the build quality definitely looks good. It's a kind of big speaker, and let's see the output also. So let's just connect this device to the smartphone and then pair it and also connect to the internet and see how it works. So in order to set up, all you need to do is very simple process. Just connect the speaker to the power cable. So we are just connected to the power cable, and what you need to do is just install the Google Home app on your smartphone. So just search in the Play Store for Google Home app, and what you need to do is just Google Home app will just show you that app. So you can see that right now you can see that this is the app, and you can see that set up Mi Smart speaker. This will come up as soon as you open the Google Home app. You can see this is the app, and then go ahead and click on this set up Mi Smart speaker, and it will actually set up the device. And once it is connected, it will copy the Wi-Fi and all the details to the speaker, so that you can use it wirelessly. So that's a simple setup. This is the Google Home app, and you can just connect easily with the device. So now we are connected the speaker to the internet. Let's see some commands. OK Google, what is the time now?
5:51 p.m.
OK Google, what is the IPL match for today?
Today, KKR will play the Royals at 7:30 p.m.
OK Google, is there any chance of rain today?
It's likely. Tonight in Ernakulam, there's a moderate chance of rain starting at about midnight and continuing through the night.
Okay Google, what is the weather like for the next 1 week?
From Sunday to next Saturday in Ernakulam, highs will be in the mid-80s, while lows will be in the mid-70s. On Sunday and Monday, it'll be partly cloudy. From Tuesday to next Wednesday, it'll be mostly sunny. From next Thursday to Saturday, there'll be scattered thunderstorms.
Okay Google, set up an alarm.
Alright, when for?
Tomorrow, 7 o'clock.
Got it. What time?
7 a.m.
Done. Your alarm's set for tomorrow at 7 a.m.
So these are some of the functions you can do. There are lots of things. It's very similar to the OK Google functionality, what you do generally for the Google Assistant. So those things can be done for here. Now let's just play some audio tracks here. So this has the DTS professional tuned surround sound, and you can wake up using the keyword. And then this also has two far field intelligent mics and touch sensitive buttons, so that even if you are far from the speaker, even then it will be heard. So that's something which is really good. Then you also get this mesh design. This is made of really good quality material, and it feels really nice in terms of build quality. You can actually toggle between your smart and the normal speaker. You can connect your smartphone with the Bluetooth, and just you can stream songs or get the sound really better sound quality with these speakers. You can also even connect to TVs. Basically you can have two Mi smart speakers, and then connect it to the TV to get a better experience from TV. So now talking about the sound quality, as you could hear from the sound quality looks good. It's a bass performance which is pretty good, and this is a large driver, and this is a 12-volt speaker. Sound quality is definitely good on this speaker. So that's the Mi smart speaker. So that is unboxing and hands-on with the Mi smart speaker, which is priced 3,500 rupees in India. So that's all guys, hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you plan to buy this device, we'll share the link in the description of this video. You can use this link and buy the device. So thanks for watching, hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.